Welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So the question is given. The question is from American Invitational Max Exam 2000. So the question is given: if xyz is equal to 1, x plus 1 by z is equal to 5, y plus 1 by x is equal to 29, z plus 1 by z value is how much, and xy plus yz plus zx value is how much. So those who are new, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest update. Your subscription is very, very important because this is a new channel. So here, pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you solve this problem? We are having so many methods. So if any easy methods are there, you can give in the suggestion box. So here we are going to start the problem. Yeah. So here the logic is there. That's why this question is selected. XYZ is equal to 1. Let us take XYZ is equal to 1. From this 1 by Z is equal to XY. So here you will substitute this value in first one. What is given here? X plus 1 by Z is equal to 5. So here in the place of 1 by Z you are writing XY value. X plus XY is equal to 5. X plus xy is equal to 5. Now if you can take common, x into 1 plus y is equal to 5. So here you can write it as 1 x is equal to 5 by 1 plus y. So here 1 by x is equal to 1 by y by 5. 1 by y over 5. Now replace this 1 by x in the second one. So what is the second one? Y plus 1 by x is given. Y plus 1 by x is 29. So here I am substituting y plus 1 by x value 1 plus y by 5. This is 1 by x value. That value are substituting here is equal to 29. So here if you take LCM, 5y plus 1 plus y is equal to 29 into 5, 145. So here 6y is equal to 144. Y is equal to 144 by 6. Y value 24. So you got y value 24. So here replace this y value. Replace this y value in this. So y is equal to 24. You are replacing here. Then 1 by x is equal to 25 by 5. So you'll get 5. X is equal to 1 by 5. So what is required here? Z plus 1 by y. Z plus 1 by y. So here you know x value and y value. From x value and y value, what is z value? Here we have written 1 by z is equal to x by y. So 1 by z is equal to, so xy means here 1 by 5 into x value 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 is x value and y value is 24. Y value is 24. So here into 24. So 1 by z is equal to 24 by 5. Z is equal to 5 by 24. Z is equal to 5 by 24. Now the required amount, what is required here, you are substituting z plus 1 by y, you want z value 5 by 24 plus 1 by y value is 1 by 24. So here you will get 6 by 24, that is equal to 1 by 4. So z plus 1 by y value is 1 by 4. Now here another question is given. xy plus yz plus zx, xy plus yz plus zx. So all the values we are having here. So here if you take 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, this value will be equal to this, because xyz is equal to 1. xyz value is equal to 1. So this value and this values are equal. So 1 by x is 5. So 1 by y is 1 by 24, and 1 by z is 24 by 5. So if you take the LCM here, what will get here? 120 is the LCM. So here you'll get 120. So here 120 into 5, 120 into 5. So here 600 will get 600 plus 5. Here plus 576. So here you'll get 1181 now. 1181 by 120. So I hope you understood the problem. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching once again AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.